want you to breathe me. Let me be your
Hello guys, hello again YouTube. Today I am back with a brand new video. I'm going to show you how I make my matcha latte. A lot of you have been asking me the recipe. I know I've shown it in pretty much all of my vlogs that I have on my channel. I've shown you how to do it, but I've never really filmed like an official recipe, so I thought why not do an official video and share with you guys how I make my matcha latte. You only need 3 things. All you need is your matcha. This is the one that I'm currently using. So this is the matcha that I currently use. I get this from the Japanese store on 59th Street. If you live in New York City, you can just get this there, and it comes in this little plastic thing, and then I just use the little pin thing to just like keep it closed. And my measurement is 1 teaspoon. So I do, oops. So next thing I use is almond milk. This is my favorite brand for almond milk. I substitute everything with sugar with maple syrup. You can use honey, but I'm not a big fan of honey. I prefer the taste of maple syrup. I'm just obsessed with maple syrup. I just use it. A milk frother will be helpful because it makes such a big difference in the taste when you froth the milk versus when you don't froth the milk. The measurement is 1 cup of almond milk or regular milk. Another thing, if you have a microwave, you could just put this in a cup. You just warm it up in the microwave. But if you don't have microwave like myself, I'm probably like the only person, not the only, but one of the few people who do not own a microwave. I just don't like microwaves at all. So I just put it in a pan, warm it up. My process is longer because I don't have a microwave, but if you guys have a microwave, it would only take you like literally less than 5 minutes to do this. And I go with my tea kettle, add some water and warm that up. And what I usually do is in the morning, I usually turn the heat on really low, and then I go in the shower and take a shower. By the time I get out of the shower, I take very quick showers. By the time I get out, everything is warm, ready to go. Water, you're gonna use half of 1/4 cup of water. I usually fill that up and just use half of it. It depends on how I'm feeling. You could use the whole thing if you want to. My recipe on my blog says to use the whole thing, but I just use half. And of course you need a whisk. And what I like to do is I just go like this with the matcha. I don't know what it does, but it's just a technique. Then we get our hot water. Again, you could just warm this up in your microwave if you have a microwave, about like 30 seconds. Put about a half in there. And I go like this. Time to add our maple syrup.